Dalawa. Unang-una, parang yung tao nasasanay siya to measure you kung ano yung visible na nagagawa mo. Marami kang natayo na kung ano-ano. Hindi niya na-appreciate yung hindi niya nakikita unless nararamdaman niya yun. Meaning to say, ang pinakamadali, yung what is visible. Pero yung mararamdaman niya, it takes a while. Yung mga initiatives that mararamdaman ng tao, hindi siya nararamdaman agad. Matagal yung paggawa nun. So having said that, as a local official, first term mayor, parang may pressure sa'yo to perform. But at the same time, it's a tough balancing act. Kasi alam mo, na hindi yun yung importante. Ang importante, not what is visible, pero ano yung foundation ng mga magiging visible. Inuumpisahan ko siya sa pag-strengthen ng bureaucracy. Kasi tingin ko, yun talaga yung magde-deliver ng better service to the people. We can always talk about technology, we can talk about AI, we can talk about progress, pero kung hindi handa yung baba, wala din. Pag hindi strong yung foundations, wala din. So, yung sa akin, pinaka-challenge talaga yon. Yung paano mo mababalanse, na ginagawa mo yung what is not visible, pero tumitiwala sa iyo yung tao, yung power of the long game. Yung kaya mo to ginagawa kasi mas magiging mabuti tayo in the future. Mahirap yun for politicians like us. Pero having said that, I am also fortunate that I come after my husband. Kasi parang may expectation na to the kind of, saka may understanding ang tao, to the kind of public servants that we are. Yung veering away from traditional politics, veering away from patronage politics, para makapagtrabaho ng maayos. So yung pagpasok ko, ang dami kong binawal. Nag-strengthen ako ng social protection, social services, pero ang dami kong binawal. And yung mga binawal ko, yun yung mga bigay-bigay. Binawal ko yung mga ayuda na walang papapuntahan. May nagagalit doon. Pero I think in the long run, ina-expect ko na lang na sana, before matapos yung 2028, nararamdaman na nila why we had to do this. Okay lang po.